Good morning students. 7th class science. Now we will start our next chapter number 7, weather, climate and adaptation of animals to the climate. Firstly, we will read about weather. Weather, this word usually we are listening in our daily life. What is weather? The short time atmospheric condition at a particular place. Atmospheric condition of particular place and at time with respect to the temperature, relative humidity, rainfall, wind speed is called weather of that place. Means atmospheric condition of any place at the particular temperature, at the particular time, what is the temperature of that place, what is the humidity, relative humidity of that place, rainfall and the speed of wind. These are called this is called weather. Temperature, humidity. What is humidity? The presence of moisture in the air. Rainfall and wind speed, these are called the elements of weather. 4 elements of weather are there: temperature, humidity, rainfall and wind speed. Speed of wind, what is the direction of speed of wind? These all things we are counting in the weather. Next topic is adaptation in animals to the different climates. Like I told you that weather is a short term atmospheric condition. What is climate? Climate is the long term atmospheric condition. Means from last 20 to 25 years, what is the temperature of that place, that areas are cold or hot, that these are called the climate. Adaptation in animals to the different climate. Which animals are living in the different regions, how they are adapting themselves to live in that particular region, that we will read now. The tendency of an organism to develop certain features which improve the chances of its survival in the environment in which it lives, that are called adaptation. Means organisms are developing some certain features in their body so that they can live in good way, they can survive in that particular environment, that are called the adaptations. For example, animals which are living in cold climate must possesses the certain features to protect themselves from the cold. Which animals are living in the cold region, their body have some certain features so that they can protect themselves from the cold. Camel and desert rat, they adapted to hot climate of the desert. And adaptations are of two types: permanent adaptation, temporary adaptation. First is permanent adaptation. Permanent means which is for a long time, for always, that is called permanent adaptation. Has a genetic basis, means they are from birth that features are there in their body. It causes the permanent changes in the individuals. For example, camel is well padded to desert environment, not to the water. Camel can live in the desert environment. It not want water for their body. Next is temporary adaptation. Temporary adaptation is short term adaptation. It is not inherited, means not from birth. It is the short term adaptation. For example, bird adapted to live in the cage is a temporary adaptation. As an example of the climatic adaptation in the animals, we will discuss the animals living in the polar region and in the tropical rainforest. About that animals we will discuss. First is animals, adaptation in animals to the polar regions.